After our consultation with Mel, we've decided that our hair is going to be perfect for the SEASTRAIGHT line. The L'Alga SEASTRAIGHT products are designed perfectly to work in synergy with one another to give smoothness and straightness to the hair. Using these products over a period of time, the more you use them, the more the hair will remember the products and keep the hair straighter and smoother for longer. This product transforms unruly hair, and after only one use, you will see visible, softer, shinier, and smoother results. We now use the SEASTRAIGHT shampoo. This is a hydrating, rejuvenating product that's going to repair any of the damage within the hair, keeping the hair straighter and smoother for longer. Complete with the L'Alga Nord 5 complex, hyaluronic acid, and the thermoactive proteins, alongside the 7 conditioning agents within the shampoo. This is going to give the maximum benefits. We're now going to use the SEASTRAIGHT ampule. Before using the ampule spray, it is important that you warm the bottle with water first. The warming of the bottle will this product jumpstarts the hair's healing process. It's a highly intensive treatment, protecting the hair by placing a film over the top to prevent split ends, resulting in soft, silky and glossy hair. We're now going to use the SEASTRAIGHT mask. This is a deep conditioning treatment that uses an innovative low pH technology which restores the damaged bonds, closing the cuticle entirely, meaning that the hair stays straighter for longer. Once the mask has been applied and brushed through the hair, you can leave for around 3 to 5 minutes. Should the hair not need as much deep conditioning, you are able to rinse the mask immediately, and after prolonged use, you will most certainly be able to rinse the mask without leaving for 3 to 5 minutes. When you first use the product, and should you require more smoothing, more straightening and have thicker, coarser hair, you will get better results by leaving the mask on for the 3 to 5 minute period. We're now going to use the SEASTRAIGHT serum spray. To activate the ingredients, shake the bottle well. We spray the product through the mid-lengths and ends, working our way up towards the roots. Once the product has been applied everywhere, we will use a comb or a wet brush to evenly distribute throughout, shielding the hair against the heated tools. This product is designed to create a protective barrier, making the hair glossy, shiny and frizz-free. Yeah, it feels so good, doesn't it? The shine and the smoothness is just incredible. But also it's made it feel so soft. Do you want to feel it? Touch it.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah,
I love it.
Feels amazing. It's really, really smooth, and you can really see like the immediate results just from one use. So you can imagine what it's like from prolonged usage as well.